highly obliged. And
Thank
amid
you, sir.
all
Thank
these
you.
situations, you had decided and spared time with us. And as you know that right now the world is desperately looking for any solution, anything can be done to get rid of this problem. So in that search to tell you more, we are in Amity University, we are organizing lot of webinars to our students. And after we have completed our all academic schedules, and then now we are actively, and our all students are very enthusiastic about attending these webinars. And we have national and international speakers we are inviting. And now even every day minimum 10 to 15 such webinars are going on every department. But just I was in the webinar from the civil department just before, even that is going on right now, because I saw Dr. Sumit was desperate and he was sending messages. So I thought to come to this webinar first, and Dr. Palla
Yes,
was
sir.
also
Indeed.
very so
Thank you.
so Dr. Anurag, so this is
Sir,
the situation right
actually,
now. And we are really thankful that you had come today, and thank you very
oh,
much. And now we are asking our students also to join to this. And I had sent communication to all the heads of the institutions also. Maybe Dr. Salamurthy sir also telling that he will also come sometimes to join. And Dr.
okay, sir.
Birabhadrappa also, he was just asking. I'm just sending a message to him, invite to him for joining. Dr. Birabhadrappa, he is the head of the department of some institution. So he also would like to join. So once he and Mr. Dr. Anurag will start, so many dignitaries of the university will. Dr. Soni is also. Dr. Soni, welcome. Dr. K.M. Soni is also Dean, Deputy Dean of Engineering Technology, is also joined here. So thank you very much. So you can start now.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, sir.
Thank you for
Thank you. Thank you
arranging
very
Sir,
this
much.
in a very
okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
yeah
Thank you.
yeah. So it was all possible because of Dr. Pallav. Pallav sir is known to me for a very long time, and since I live in Italy, and Italy was one of the worst affected countries, so was being asked so many questions by my family, relatives, friend that why you are not coming to India. And since I'm also from the field of immunology, so I understand the subject a little bit better. So I thought and I prepared a small video in Hindi for my family members, and that I uploaded. And after that, Pallav sir contacted me. Would you be like to give a detail? And I'm like, why not? Because this is the problem right now is our mainstream media doesn't know how to handle science, and now they are
Right.
being asked to take up a subject which they have never ever done in their life. So they are taking any information which is available in the in the scientific field, and they are just putting out in public without understanding that this will create more panic than calming it down. And it's not about our media, because I follow the international media also. Even in US they are giving claims which is not at all scientific viable. So there is too much of hue and cry. So I have tried to make a yeah
Just 1 minute, Anurag.
yeah
Dr. S.M. Birabhadrappa had joined us.
oh
He was the scientist in DRDO earlier. He had just joined. Dr. Birabhadrappa, you are there?
I'm there, but there is another lecture is going on, Manoj.
Oh, that's why it's the same thing I was sharing with them. There are so many lectures right now going on. So,
You,
I was
you are
just sharing
culprit.
with
You have
Dr.
made many
Anurag.
programs parallel.
Yeah. But since Anurag is also is the Department of Immunology, he has worked there. I think he was telling. So I thought to call you here, Bidapatapa sir. So
This is
you had a great.
coronavirus, no? This for corona.
Yeah,
yes
yeah.
sir.
This is on coronavirus, sir. Yes, sir.
Is
All
going
is
running.
corona these days.
It is running now. It is on. Lecture is now.
Yes,
No,
yes,
no.
yes. Please, Dr. Anurag, please go ahead.
Yeah,
Sir,
so
we will have a formal introduction about Dr. Anurag in
Yes.
another 2 minutes time. Dr.
Uh,
Sumit, are you there?
Yes, yes.
Manoj, I'll join you after half an hour. Huh?
all right, sir.
That lecture I may have to sum up also.
Okay.
So,
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
I request my very colleague, Dr. Sumit Gupta, to please introduce Dr. Anurag Kumar Srivastava so that we can start with the today's lecture. So, with your
Right.
due permission, sir, should we start the session, sir?
Go ahead, please, sir. All the best.
Dr.
Yes.
Palla, please
Okay, thank you,
introduce.
sir.
Dr. Palla,
Okay.
please introduce Mr. Anurag, please.
Okay. So, Anurag Kumar Srivastava is presently working as a research scientist in Department of Molecular Biotechnology, University of Turin, Italy. Prior to this, he has worked as a research fellow at the National Institute of Biotechnology in the Negev Ben Gurion University, Israel. He earned his master thesis entitled Investigation of Protein Dynamics using genetically encoded unnatural amino acid from University of Göttingen, Germany, and also completed his master project one on the topic generating ATP via ADI pathway titration of the carbamate kinase from University of Groningen, the Netherlands. He also served as a research assistant at Indian Institute of Technology, BHU, Varanasi, India, and also worked as technical assistant in Advanced Center for Treatment Research and Education in Cancer, ACTREC, Mumbai, India. He is recipient of large number of awards and fellowships such as Porso di Recto del Instituto Fellowship, NIBN Scholarship, Erasmus Plus Traineeship Grant for Master Thesis, etc. His area of research include epidemic diseases, cancer, and its treatment using molecular medicines. He has published large number of research papers in reputed international and national journals and conferences. And without taking too much of time, now I request Anurag Kumar Srivastava ji to please start his lecture today, so that we all, the faculty members of Department of Mechanical Engineering, we all get enlightened.
Thank you, Pallav sir, for
Okay, thank you,
arranging.
sir.
Yeah. Are you saying something, Pallav sir?
So, sir, please start your lecture, sir. Thank you so much.
Okay. So, thank you, Pallav sir, for arranging this thing, arranging this lecture at a very short notice. And I work in the field of my main research area is our lab is focusing on immunotherapy of pancreatic cancer, and I'm part of it. And since I'm in Italy, which was the epicenter, which was few weeks ago the epicenter of coronavirus. So I had to read a lot because our lab is also thinking about how to use this opportunity to work toward COVID-19 and other things. So since the audience is of very diverse range, so I have tried to make the presentation in a way which will be more on the facts and less on the biological side. And I will also toward the end I will also try to give some of the scientific and logical reasons why Italy became a pandemic. So I will just start my